Introduce highlight features or overview summary about iHeylinkit wireless CarPlay adapter upgraded, 2-in-1 wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 2-in-1 wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter. Effortlessly upgrade your wired CarPlay or Android Auto to a wireless experience. Supports navigation, music playback, voice assistant, phone calls, text messaging, and more, ensuring ultimate safety and convenience during your journey. Plug and play, smart connection. Get started in just 3 easy steps with no additional apps or drivers required for Android Auto or wireless CarPlay. Once paired, the Android Auto wireless adapter automatically reconnects each time, offering seamless connectivity with a one-time setup for long-lasting enjoyment. Broad compatibility, versatile use. Our wireless CarPlay adapter is compatible with iPhones running iOS 10 or later, and Android devices with OS 11 or above. Additionally, it comes with a USB to USB-C converter, perfectly adapting to both USB and USB-C car ports for your convenience. 2025 upgraded chip, smooth performance. Equipped with the latest 2025 upgraded Smart IC chip and processor, this CarPlayback adapter ensures a robust, fast, and stable wireless connection with minimal interruptions and delays. It supports voice control, steering wheel control, touchscreen, and knob operations for an unmatched user experience. The iHeylinkit team is dedicated to innovation and enhancing the driving experience. If you encounter any compatibility or usage issues, please feel free to reach out to us. We are always ready to provide you with professional technical support and solutions to ensure a worry-free experience. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.